How to use layout for Instagram stories. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to add the layout or use layout for your Instagram stories, simply launch the Instagram application on your device. Here, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and then tap on story. Now you can select the story or the layout. For that you need pictures, so just tap on the gallery. I'm going to tap on gallery and select particular pictures over here. So I'm going to select 4 items over here. You need to select more than one. Then tap on next. Here it will give you option either you want a layout or separate. Now since we want to use the layout, we're going to tap on layout. So here you can tap on edit your layout and you can just select which layout would you prefer. I'm going to select on this one only over here. And you can just make necessary changes and then tap on done, and here you can just tap on your story and post it on your story. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.